So on the coastline today, you can expect to see some dolphins on our morning tours. Turtles at our snorkel spots, beautiful coastlines, beautiful cliffs. The scenery is definitely to die for. Just to let you know, the conditions on the Na Pali are always changing. This is not a user-friendly coastline. This is an adventure. We feed off of your energy. If you're having fun, we're having fun. At the end of the day, we're all in the same boat. Our boats have all the size and agility benefits of a raft, combined with the comfort of a catamaran. This fusion with only 6 people allows the most intimate and complete experience in Na Pali history.
I think it was one of the most beautiful places I've ever been, and the Na Pali experience made it amazing. It's one of the best ways to experience it.
No, I didn't expect the Na Pali coast to be bloody awesome like that. I had a cracker day. You should all definitely check it out.